Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog. This one is gonna be a vacation prep with me. It is currently Wednesday. I am heading to my parents' house in Wyoming on Friday for a little ski trip. My parents are already out there, and then me and my boyfriend are flying out Friday morning to meet them for the week. I actually won't even be gone a full week. It's like 6 days because we're flying back with my parents and that's when they're coming back. So I have been go, go, go all week trying to prepare. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like with going out of town, even if it's just like a week-long trip, I feel like there's so much to do in preparation, like things around the house, laundry, of course packing, and if you're high maintenance like me, then appointments. So I booked all of my appointments for today. I didn't necessarily plan it that way for vacation, but I started doing all my appointments on the same day anyways, just because I live in Winston now, and pretty much all of my appointments except like 2 are in Greensboro, and it's only a 30-minute drive, 35-minute drive, so it's not that bad, but that's over an hour of traveling, so it's just easier this way to schedule them all on the same day. But I have 3 back-to-back appointments. I'm currently on the way to the nail salon to get my toes and nails done, and then right after that, I'm gonna be rushing. I've already warned my nail guy because he texted me this morning and moved my nail appointment back, and I'm like, that works, but I also have another appointment right after I get my nails done. Am I gonna get done in time? And he was like, yeah. So after that, I've got a wax appointment. Right after that, I'm getting my lashes done. And then after that, I'm gonna go get a spray tan. I had to pack a bag for my spray tan clothes. I brought a book, protein bar, water, got all the goods since I'll be gone from my apartment basically all day. My hair is disgusting. It is so bad. It's been a week since I washed it, but for some reason it's just like extra gross. But I can't even wash it tonight because I'm getting a spray tan, number 1. Number 2, I want it to be fresh for my trip, so I'm just gonna wash it the day before I leave, which is tomorrow. I am gonna do a pack with me vlog, but that's gonna be separate from this one. So I'm doing a vacation prep vlog, which is this, and then a pack with me as well that I'm gonna film tomorrow, so you guys will see that very soon. If not the next video after this, the next one. So yeah, but anyways, I'm about 12 minutes away from my appointment, and I will vlog on my phone. So I just got done with my wax appointment. My nails aren't done yet, but I told you guys that my nail guy texted me and asked if I could come in 30 minutes later. I then told him I had an appointment right after, and he was like, yeah, it'll be fine. Well, the design that I wanted was gonna take too long, so I just told him I'd come back later and we'd finish them. But for right now, they're French. I got done with my wax appointment early. Went to McDonald's. I haven't had McDonald's in months. Like, I could not tell you guys the last time I had it, but it was the closest thing available, and I didn't have time to stop anywhere else. So I just got 6 nuggets. So I'm gonna sit in my car and eat those, and then I have to go into my lash appointment in 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna go back to the nail salon and then go get a spray tan. just got home. I've literally been gone for like 7 hours, 7.5 hours. But that's my fault for scheduling all my appointments on the same day. And then I hit 5 o'clock traffic on the way back. It was pretty bad. But I look really crazy right now because of my spray tan, like really crazy. But I'm gonna wash it off in the morning. I also got my eyebrows microbladed last week. So they're looking a little crazy because they're still healing. Like I've got some scabs, but I can't mess with them. So, but yeah, I need to wash my hair, but I can't because of my spray tan and my lashes. So I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. That way it's fresh for my trip, but I'm gonna put some of this oil in it. I usually do this like a day before I wash my hair, like the night before. I put oil all throughout my hair and put it in a bun, and then obviously wash it out the next day. But I'm not going anywhere tonight, so it's the perfect time to do it. I got this off of Amazon like a few months ago, and I really like it so far. I usually do like a droplet amount. I just forgot that I can't wash my hands because of my spray tan. But I'm doing this especially because I'm gonna be in Wyoming, and it's obviously like cold and snowy. My hair just gets really dry. I don't even know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Now that I'm looking nice and greasy, I'm gonna put it up. Okay, now that that's done, I have to put all this laundry away. So I'm gonna do that. And then I also want to take all my sweatpants out of one of these drawers and move them to my closet. I have an idea, but I have 2 full drawers of Skims, and I have more on the way because I shopped their Valentine's Day collection and I'm not gonna have room for it. I need to also get rid of some stuff, but that's a later job. But I wanna clear out my sweatpants. That way I can have more room for Skims instead of me like jamming things into a drawer. So we're gonna do that because I have shorts in that drawer, bralette, tops, like other skin tops, underwear and socks in that one, and then that's my t-shirt drawer. So this one's pretty full too. But yeah, and then I think I'm gonna move my perfumes out here again because I liked it a little bit better. We'll see, but I'm just gonna do a few random things. I put a chicken pie in the oven, and then I've also got to do a lot of computer work. I have to edit and upload this vlog. I have to do something for a brand, links, stuff like that. So I'm gonna be working pretty much all night, but it's fine. Perfumes in here. Now I gotta put these sweatpants in my closet. This is my boyfriend's laundry. He did laundry over here because he has to pay to do it at his school, so I just let him do it over here. But I'm gonna put these in this section. I think I could also move that basket, but I think I'll have enough space for right here. And then I put my Dossier perfumes on this little thing. I don't know if it's staying. It just didn't look good on my dresser. It just looked way too cluttered. So for right now, I guess it's gonna stay like that. I don't know. So I put the ones that I wear the most, which are my Aritzia ones, up front, and then random ones in the back. I have another pair that I need to put right here. So that's what that's looking like. And I have all my sweatshirts. But yeah. And then when my Skim stuff gets here, I'm going to reorganize and fill this drawer up. But I like it so far. So I ate dinner and then immediately started working on this vlog. It's almost 10 o'clock. My fingers literally froze up, like I could not move them because I was editing for so long and like they started cramping and it freaked me out. Oh, that was so weird. But I'm taking a break now to end off this vlog. I still have to refill my vitamins since I'm going on vacation. I only have like 3 or 4 days worth left. So I need to refill those. That way they're all good to go for vacation. I also need to whiten my teeth. I use the Luminu whitening strips. I switched between these and the Crest ones, like the Crest 3D white, but these are supposed to be better for your enamel, and I have TMJ, so my enamel is not the best. I've always had enamel problems. Like, I remember when I was a kid, like I was a baby, I had to have surgery on my teeth because my enamel wasn't growing, but that was my baby teeth. But yeah, I'm gonna finish editing this vlog and then I'm going to get into bed. Normally I would do my skincare and all that fun stuff, but I really can't because of my tan. So yeah, I also was editing this vlog and completely forgot to show you guys my lashes and my nails. Like, I didn't even show you guys the finished nail product, but they turned out so good. They're just French with little red hearts and they look just like the inspo pic that I showed my guy. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vacation prep with me vlog. I will be filming my pack with me tomorrow. I just thought I would split it up because I know I talk a lot and I always get so much footage and my vlogs are always so long, and I knew with everything I had to do, it was just best to split it up, and that way it's more content for you guys. So we're gonna do it that way. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and click that bell. I love you guys so much. I will hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.